Cessna 172 engine open over here. I will show you few things. Okay, first of all, this is going to be the starter. Okay, the starter of the engine. This is alternator. Okay, it's connected with the propeller over here. This is the engine from the top, 4 cylinders. This is a fuel injection system, so we don't have carburetor over here. So in the fuel injection system, this is my fuel control unit. This is how it looks like. This one is the fuel control unit. This is the exhaust pipe. This is the shroud. The air is gonna go from here inside, from the front. It's gonna be heated over here with this shroud. The exhaust gas pipe is actually inside over here, and the hot air will be moved to the cabin defroster and for the heater what we can use in the cold weather. Right here, this one is a sensor for exhaust gas temperature. Okay, we have 2 on this side, 2 on the other side. If you see your exhaust gas temperature is decreased, like for example, one is showing 500 and rest of the other are showing you 800 or 1200, something like that, one is low, so you need to check the spark plugs. The first thing, the spark plug. If the spark plugs are fine, then you need to check maybe there is some other problem in the engine, because this is a fuel control unit over here, fuel injection system. This is the spider over here. It's gonna distribute the fuel to the cylinders with these pipes. If you have a carburetor engine, you're not gonna see this fuel regulator and this spider over here. It's only in the fuel injection system, not in the carburetor engine. This is the oil temperature sensor over here. You see these 2 blue lines, this is for the throttle and the mixture controller. This black one is your magneto, right and left. The other one is over here, the left one. This is the fuel filter. Oh, sorry, correction, oil filter. Okay, and this is your oil cooler, like a condenser. That's your oil dipstick. You can put the oil in here. This is a vacuum for the standby instruments, or if you're flying a round dial gauges classic airplane, that's gonna be giving the information to your gauges. This small thing is your RPM indicator, because this is a glass cockpit airplane. We have like this other one. It's gonna be a circulating pipe like thing going inside to show you the RPM. This video I'm making actually for the students who just want to familiarize themselves, and they are doing their pilot training, private pilot, these kind of things. There's the battery over here. This is the GPU connector. So the airplane is right now connected with the GPU. They're charging the battery for this. Let's see what we have on this side. What I can tell you. Yeah, this pipe is actually going inside from the vacuum. This is the temperature sensor over here. Yeah, you see this pipe is actually connected like this. There are 4 different pipes coming out here. Okay, if you're gonna be having overflow of the fuel, it's gonna be coming out from this green pipe. This white pipe is actually, this one is for the overflow acid, or if the battery is gonna get burned, you know, the acid is gonna be discharged from here. This one, the silver one, is actually the engine breather line. If the engine needs some air, you know, we just call it engine breather. And this small one actually coming from the front filter over here. If you're flying in the rain, you know, the water gonna go inside, and it will be drained out through this way. And sometime maybe the oil is coming out, no, correction, not the oil, the fuel is coming out from here also. It's gonna be overflow here on this side, and it will be thrown out from here also. So these are 4 valves over here, you can see. Yeah, just for your information, if there is any cracks on the engine, how did you check it? You see the sound like this? The sound is like a piano. If there is gonna be some crack over here, you're not gonna hear this smooth piano like sound. It's gonna make some weird noises. This is how we just check, you know, just for your information. This is how all the things we have, not all the things, just some of the things we have in the engine. Just write down in the comments below if you need to ask something more. Please subscribe to my channel for more informative videos. Thank you so much.